moi, call Rukh. If one day I'm without you, I wouldn't know.